Hi, welcome to my channel. Isn't this bread looking beautiful and delicious? Of course it is. So I'm going to show you how I made this succulent and delicious bread. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's get at it. In my flour, I already measured my flour, so I added my sugar. This is about 150 grams of sugar. The full recipe will be in the description section. So for this recipe, I used instant yeast. So I'm using about 2 TBS of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, making sure I incorporate the ingredients as I had them, and about half teaspoon of salt. So I have 1 kg of flour because I want to make about 3 bread recipes from this flour. So after then, I portioned out the one I want to use for this bread recipe. This bread recipe is with soy flour. I'm using soy flour for this bread recipe. So I added 1 TBS of peanut paste, and here is this soy flour. About 2 TBS of soy flour. So this bread is homemade bread, is it? It is super rich and nutritious. So my husband will eat out of this bread, so I have to make sure that it is as rich as he desires it. So about 2 tablespoons of egg. I'll incorporate everything together, and I'll use coconut milk as my liquid. You can also use water. So I'm using coconut milk. I used about 1 cup of coconut milk in total. Then I made sure I kneaded as much as I can in my bowl. And then I allowed it to proof. You can see that it is sticky to the place, so it has proofing. And then I needed, so you need a bit, you need it a bit for like 3 minutes before adding your margarine. So I added about 1 teaspoon of margarine, and then I kept kneading, but it will be sticky at this point, but you just have to keep kneading. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. And if you are watching me again, if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel. So this method of kneading is very easy. If you don't want to stress yourself, just pick and drop, pick and bang on your work table. So my baking pan is lubricated already. So I egg washed with my finger. Don't mind me, I egg washed with my finger. You can use a brush if you have. So, and then cover it up to proof. That's proofing a bit. It's proofed a bit, and voila! After baking, this is what I got. It was delicious, soft, and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Do try out this recipe and make sure you subscribe. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.